The parties should gather all financial records in order to create the most clear picture of their estate. Bank records, retirement accounts, credit card statements, company records, and especially the tax returns. Basically, any documentation that establishes assets owned by the parties together or individually. Then consult with an experienced attorney who is familiar with the issues that the client will face. An experienced attorney should be able to determine at the outset whether other professionals will be needed, such as a forensic accountant, a vocational evaluator, an appraiser, perhaps a mental health professional if the case includes minor children. Also be mindful that the assets that are to be divided include cash, which can be one of the most difficult assets to prove existed at the time of separation. So I'd recommend that the parties either divide the cash at the outset, or if the party chooses to take 100% of the cash, that he or she provide an accounting of the funds that they took so that at the time the case is litigated, the person's credibility is not vulnerable to attack. Finally, the person should consider whether they had separate property coming into the marriage. And if they did, be prepared to show adequate documentation to prove the tracing of that asset. And be aware that even if the property is characterized as separate property, the community may still have obtained an interest. And so the forensic accountant will help you determine all of that along with their attorney.